It's Friday. I'm leaving on Sunday. Time passes well too quick when I'm in this place. Looks like they're set up for the smoking later on. They're going to smoke some fish, so that'll be a bit of fun. And we're off out doing a bit of shopping this morning. Right, and what's happening here?
I'm just going to make some jelly with some of the smaller wild apples that we picked.
Oh, lovely.
And some of the garden huckleberries.
Yeah.
We'll just boil that through and then probably give it an hour or two, and then we'll put it through a jelly bag.
Yeah.
And then it'll go to boil tomorrow to make the jelly.
Yeah. So, something good coming out of that pot, boys and girls. All good. Lance is prepping his smoker up.
Fill that up with water.
Yeah.
Fill this up with chips.
Yeah. And that's wood soaking, is it? What wood is that?
That's hickory.
Hickory. You bought that hickory in, did you? Yeah.
Yeah, we did.
All right, we're doing a start on this crab bisque. It's crab and there's some lobster in there as well. So we've got crab and lobster shells, and that's what we got. This is coming up to heat now, the deep pan, plenty of heat under it. And then we just got to fry these shells. And the reason we do this outside is because it does make a bit of a stink, but it makes the most fantastic soup. Okay, I've been busy, but I'll tell you what I did. I fried off the shells in a couple of tablespoons of ordinary cooking oil, ordinary sunflower oil, and you fry it down, and at first it smells really horrible, and then it starts to smell like an expensive fish restaurant. And it's at that point when you start putting in the water. And what I do is I bring the water up to the mean height of the shells I've got, because we want it to be nice and rich and delicious. And you can already see that the bisque is taking on a kind of pink hue from the lobster shells. So we don't need to boil that long. We just bring it up to the boil and simmer it for about 5 minutes, and then it'll be ready to filter out. And then we finish it with cream and cognac to make a fantastic soup. And there are some little bits of flesh in and around there, so we'll be able to pick over the bones of that as well for a rather delicious feast. Lobster bisque. Well, this is a lobster and crab bisque. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe, and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.